Noble. And the rough early lead is taken by Smart and Noble from the outside. North Harbor by the rail, Andorra. And moving up on the inside, entry number 1, Enchanted Lady. It's Smart and Noble by a length and a half. North Harbor running in second. Enchanted Lady running in third on the outside. Peace and Love and Manila Magic. Nearing the far turn, it's still the favorite, Smart and Noble by 2.5 lengths, followed by North Harbor in second. And on the outside, Enchanted Lady, Peace and Love, and Manila Magic moving up on the farther outside, Andorra. Rounding the far turn, there is still the favorite, Smart and Noble by 4.5 lengths, and moving up on the outside, Peace and Love, moving up on the inside, North Harbor. Enchanted Lady running in fourth. And into the home stretch, there is still the favorite, entry number 7, Smart and Noble, leading the field, followed by Peace and Love on the outside, North Harbor by the rail, Enchanted Lady, Andorra, Manila Magic. And nearing the payoff line, it is still entry number 7, the favorite, Smart and Noble, leading the field by almost 5 lengths. And finally at the payoff line, Smart and Noble, Peace and Love, Enchanted Lady, Aras.
Ayun.